brother, believe me, I ain't giving in. When your man speaks, I'll be listening. It's like it's at me, it's directing. The young boy filled up with sin. The young boy filled up with sin. The young boy filled up with sin.
One individual phoned me from prison. He said to me, I've got banged up for 20 years in my life. 20 years of my life. I feel it's unfair. You know what I said to him? I said, how many years of your life have you lived a haram life? He said, I've carried out every single sin on the face of this earth. I said, those 20 years, I'm not here to judge you, but Allah's giving you respite. 20 years of your life, living that life, now ride 20 years. Ride 20 years like a man, come out and change like a man. You need to leave this environment. فَإِنَّ أَرْضُ سُوء. It's an evil environment. You're surrounded by how many young people that I've grown up, I've seen at the age of 10, 11, 15 years of good young individuals. And the next minute you see them years later, they become some of the biggest shotters on the street that you find. I've met people that we said this person would possibly never ever be guided inside their life. And the next time you meet them, they become a Muslim inside their life. You can't guide the ones that you love. It's Allah that guides.